right, here's a cool Texas Blues, Albert King, Stevie Ray Vaughan kind of inspired lick. It's a variation of the most classic SRV lick, which I've already done at least one video on. This has got a little nuance to it, and it's in C minor is the key. I picked the C minor pentatonic scale, and it's got that root right there, which is the 8th fret of the low E string. See that? And we've got that pentatonic scale right there. We're going to start on the G string, and we're going to bend that up from the 10th fret. Here's the lick, though, again. And so we're bending that 10th fret of the G, and I'm using my middle finger and my ring finger. My index finger rolls over, or just moves over, to the 8th fret of the B string, and I hit that note. Then I roll that finger over to hit the 8th fret of the high E. Then I'm going to the 11th of the B, which is still from that minor pentatonic scale. If you want to use your ring finger, you can. I'm using my pinky. And you want to give it a little nudgy bend. And as you start to bend that up, we go back to that root, which is the 8th fret of the high E. So you've got... So now we're going to one note that's outside the C minor pentatonic. It's called the 9, which is going to be the 10th fret of the high E. So I'm hammering that on. Eight to 10 on the high E, but here's the nuance that's a little different than the most standard Stevie Ray Vaughan way is instead of where I'm hammering on and pulling off right there, we're going to go from this right to this to a pull off. So we hit that, and then my middle finger's here, but my index is behind it. So that's the 9th and 8th fret, and I'm going to pull off that middle finger. And then from there, I'm going down the pentatonic. variation. All right, there it was. Hope you got something from it. Remember, I've got a lot of lesson programs right at GuitarJamz.com in the link down there. Thanks for hanging out, and hope to see you again real soon.